Hello, everybody. Good morning. Today is June 1st, 2026. Welcome to the Dev Call. And this week we will be in New York. So if you guys are coming up or going to New York for either the Stablecoin Summit, the Agentic Summit, or the Vault Summit, we'll be out there. So reach out if you are. And with that, we're also trying to get some a release ready for testing for Layer and some other things. So we'll start off with what we're up to this week right now. Dan.
Yeah, just finishing up this operator dashboard. Should be going out today. Pretty cool. And the rewards lookup, the historical rewards section part of it, not fully finished yet, but that'll be coming soon.
Great. Ryan.
Yep. So we got the pull oracle out. I know we were talking about that for a while, but that's we announced that on Friday. So give that a look and feel free to reach out with any questions. But yeah, now going to be moving over into some just more user-focused implementations for Tellor. Looking at some adapters that we can have out in the wild for protocols to use.
Thank you, Ryan. Caleb.
I am waiting on comments or any changes I need to make on my PR. That's the last PR that needs to be merged in before we make a tag and I switch into testing mode this week, as I will not be in New York. So I will be the one extensively testing the new tag this week and getting things ready to go for an upgrade soon.
Great. Thanks, Caleb. Akram.
I'm reviewing said PR now. We'll hopefully have comments soon. Also pushing one of my PRs. I'm gonna make a PR for the getter I talked about last week, and I'm doing a slight refactor for the bridge signer to use a similar style of dialing out to the node. How the consensus signing currently works instead of using the gRPC connection.
All right. Well, watch out for a new feature, everybody. Spuddy.
Hey, so speaking of new features, there's a lot of new features coming for the Layer Daemons repo because I've been working with Mr. Crossy and we are getting the behavior fine-tuned to, I mean, we're going to have fallbacks everywhere where the daemon uses any kind of endpoint. There's going to be fallbacks, except for the API, like the price APIs, because you can't have fallbacks for centralized APIs. But we're gonna have fallbacks for everything in like comma separated list. I'm also sick. There's gonna be an update. So yeah, when the next Layer Daemons update drops, there's gonna be a little bit more configuration update to do for the reporters, but we'll have a nice little update guide that shouldn't be too hard, and it'll be a lot better, I think.
Thanks, buddy. Yeah, a lot more features coming in, making everything a lot more robust than it already was. So yeah, all of this has come out a lot from the community feedback. So as you guys use it and test it and come over to Tellor Layer, we're continuing to improve it and optimize it. So that's where we're at. But I don't think, did we get any questions, Ryan? I think we did. I don't see
Crossy asked about the 30%. Asks about the checks coming in the Layer daemon. Not the reporter daemon, but
yeah. So we're basically just trying to make sure that either reporters or validators don't accidentally get either delegated to or report or selected, or even with rewards start hitting. Okay, so because rewards go back into a bonded state, right, as a stake, and I believe tips as well, we want your stake in the system will continue to grow, but then you have people that can come in and just delegate to you or select you, and that can bump you up over that 30% threshold, making it not an attack vector, but it can make it dangerous for the chain, because if all of a sudden you stop running, you can stop the chain if you hit 33% accidentally. So those guardrails are just gonna help make sure that when people attempt to delegate to you, if you're gonna go over 30%, it doesn't allow them. And I think we were talking about adding also something similar to the reporter daemon, but it would just be like an error or like a flag, because it can't really stop you from trying, but it can give you a flag for now. And right now that is possible. So that's why we're trying to get this release out as quickly as possible so that people don't accidentally do this. Did I get that right, guys?
Yeah, that was good.
All right. So that's what we're doing. Nothing too crazy, just trying to keep you all safe and keep the system safe. And with that, hopefully we'll see you guys in New York. And if not, we'll see you guys next week.